Evidence Video, Development of Visual Graphic Media, Upright Strings, Alan Steven Ramirez. Artificial intelligence is completely redefining how architects agents optimize their daily workflows instead of manually resize creativity as affordance or different media formats. Product home teams are now adopting automating smart lay agent design system, automated scale graphics, predicting file formatting errors, and eliminating human oversight in the design pipeline, allowing agencies to launch complex maximize campaigns in record time. The physical and digital outputs of advertise. Advertising needs Jellystone hardware and software high-speed OT in a way. Industry plotters can now sync UX digital designs files instantly to minimize material waste and energy consumption. Simultaneously, traditional static keyboard are being rapidly replaced by immersive series digital assets, transforming public space into dynamic interactive ecosystem that bridge the gap between virtual media and physical product controls. In, glo- in global advertising, visual elemental must be carefully adapted to fit the individual psychological and social preferences of regions. Colors, shapes, and musical that would perfect taste in our country can sometimes have completely different meaning or fail to resonate in another. Additionally, calculate variation display how quickly audiences adopticon friendly materials for production managers to constantly balance local markets expectations with international brand rules. Managing creative processes is a globalized industry requires negotiations, multiple professional calls and time- timelines, modern advertising agencies, fluently distribute designs and assembly times across decentralized remote teams. Leaders must coordinate this diverse cultural escritura smoothly. Future content technology. By the end of this decade, emerging technologies like augmented reality will have drastically reduced the market share of traditional flash print media. Advertising processing would rely almost entirely on smart automated systems. Conclusions. In conclusion, technology will not replace the core value of human design or creativity, which in graphic media development. Instead, abstract digital tools serve as powerful partners that elevates production efficiency and open new artist possibilities. S- Stays relevant in this rapidly changing advertising landscape, requires continuous uh, assisting and open mandate to guide production development, successful into highly automated visualize. Thank you.